Yo, what's up? It be your boy, that Flyin Ryan, back at you with another dope unboxing video. Shout out to Tmotor for getting me this frame over in the mail ASAP on the fly, guys. Check this out. You know what this is? This is the FT5 frame from Tmotor, and we're gonna unbox this bad boy. First things off rip, you'll notice when you open the box here, we've got a nice set of instructions, and of course, a bad to the bone Kevlar Fpv battery strap. Get that out the way. So we got our instructions. Like I said, they're really nice, laid out. Everything's Chinese, American. Can't go wrong. All your screw list here. We dig in further into the box. Got your battery pad there, and some stickers for the camera plates. Got your 3D printed TPU and camera spacers. So we got the front guard plate here. We got the crossfire, and then the antenna bracket. We got nicely packaged screws. Again, if you look on our instruction list here, screws and everything is really nicely. If you look, they're all labeled, everything again labeled. I'm really happy with how Tmotor had ended up packaging this. Like, it's one of the better packaged frames that I've gotten. Normally they come in a bag or they try to save cost, but putting it in this big box, like, that just tells you Tmotor is always, taking pride in their quality of packaging and materials and products that they're using. I mean, just look at the standoffs that you're going to use. I mean, this whole frame just nicely packaged. 5mm arms, 3mm carbon, I believe it is, or 2.5. I would have to look back on the specs. So this frame features 3K carbon fiber airframe. It's tailor-made printout protective frame. It's compatible with different size VTX and stacks, 20 by 20 or 30.5 by 30.5. Can enjoy the ease of build. Guys, I'll show you that in 1 minute why this frame is ultimately going to be the best frame here. Check this out. 5mm arms. This thing looks like it can take a beating as well. Can't go wrong. Specifications. So not many people understand what makes this frame easier. Ryan, I'm going to answer that question right now. That top plate coming off. Wait, we don't need to work on our our stack. We need to get to our VTX or receiver. Oh my goodness, I broke some antenna. Let's leave that off to the side for now. Guys, why does it make sense to pop your GoPro off? I don't have the GoPro mount now, but I will be printing that later. Why does it make sense to take out 8 damn screws when I can undo 4? Look, just check it out. Undo 4 screws and boom. Wait, hold on, I want to access everything. Boom. Guys, come on now. Look at this. Tell me you don't got enough room to work on your stuff here now. And my GoPro's still sitting on here. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me see. I don't got an extra mount off to the side. Nope. No extra mount off to the side for examples. But like I said, we are getting that printed. And it's just, it's that, I see this nice slots here for zip ties. It can't go wrong. Like they well thought out this frame. They really well thought out this frame. Shout out to Tmotor for getting this out to me. Guys, if you'd like to order one, I'll leave you a link in the description below. In the meantime, check out some of these dope little videos I'll leave somewhere here or there. Later. Yo, what's up? It be your boy, that Flyin Ryan, back at you with a dope unboxing. Shout out to Tmotor for getting me to this